AI receptionists are handling millions of calls a day for small businesses. But how do they actually work? And are they as good as humans? I'm going to break it down for you guys. First, let's define what we're talking about. An AI receptionist isn't the same thing as one of those annoying phone trees where you press 1 for this and 2 for that. It's a conversational AI that speaks with natural language, just like you're talking to another person. It can handle complex, multi-part questions like, do you have an appointment for next week available? And how much does it cost? And how much would it be if I added highlights as well too? These are questions that a traditional system would break down under. AI understands the whole question, and it talks back to you naturally. So how does it know your business? I'll explain in 3 ways. First, the AI is trained on your specific business information. This is inputted when you first sign up for My AI Front Desk. You input this with your website, and it scrubs through all the information. Second, you can update its knowledge base at any time. Changed your hours, updated your prices, maybe you added a new service. Don't worry, because the AI can stay up to date as long as you input this information. Third, and this is the coolest one of them all, it'll keep learning from past conversations. If a customer asks it something that it doesn't understand, it'll ask you for further information and never ask again. Now, let's talk about how it works with actual conversation. When someone calls, here's what's happening in those seconds. So first, voice recognition is turning that speech into text. Second, natural language processing will understand what the person is asking or saying, not just the words, but the intent behind it. Third, the AI will search its database for how to answer the question and then respond naturally. And lastly, speech synthesis will then convert that text into a natural response for the customer to hear. All of this happens so fast that there's no pause. It just feels like you're naturally speaking to somebody else. Here's a real example. Listen to how the AI handles this call about availability. Hi, I'd like to book an appointment for next week.
We can do that for you. What day did you have in mind?
What days do you have available?
We currently have openings Tuesday from 1 p.m. to 6
I'll
p.m.
do Tuesday
available.
at 1 o'clock.
Great, I've got you all booked.
Perfect, thank you. But it's not just about answering phone calls. AI Front Desk will also integrate with your tools that you're currently using. AI Front Desk will work with your current phone number. No need to change it. And we also provide integrations with Calendly, Square, and any other platforms that you may need. And here's where it gets really useful. It can send information via text while they're on the call. Imagine this. Someone calls about booking an appointment, and the AI will send them a booking link while still on the call with them. No callback needed, no missed leads. So what's the real business impact? Let's look at some numbers. The average small business misses 15 to 20 calls a week. That's 60 to 80 calls a month of customers just going straight to voicemail. Cost-wise, a full-time receptionist can cost you $30,000 to $50,000 a year, while an answering service can cost you $200 to $500. An AI receptionist, most of the time, under $100 a month, and it has actual full conversations with them. Setup time is surprisingly quick. It takes usually 5 to 10 minutes to set up your AI receptionist. And the learning curve? There is none. Most businesses are up and ready to go live within an hour. Let's tackle some misconceptions. The first one being that the voice doesn't sound natural and sounds too robotic. Let's listen to this.
Hi, I'm Julie, your new receptionist. How can I help you today? Just let me know if you need anything.
Misconception number 2, it can't handle the complexities of my business. That's the great part. You teach it everything about your business, so it understands it just as well as you do. Third and worst misconception of them all is that your customers will hate it. And we have found that that's not true at all. We see that customers are often happier when their phone calls are being picked up by an AI rather than going to voicemail and not hearing a call back from a human. So here's the bottom line. AI receptionists are tools that handle calls 24/7 using conversational AI. They work best alongside humans. They're not replacing them. They're just helping with the overflow so that you can get back to talking to your customers. This technology is accessible for small businesses now. It's not just for enterprises. They're designed for small businesses like yours. And if you're curious to see one in action, build your AI receptionist for free today. Just click that link in our bio.